in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Nassau County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 8 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a large area of showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain approaching the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin within the next hour across portions of the area. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour are possible with localized higher amounts. Some locations that will experience flooding include New York, Oyster Bay, Newark, Jersey City, Yonkers, Paterson, Elizabeth, New Rochelle, Passaic, Bayonne, Wayne, Hoboken, Plainfield, Bloomfield, Hackensack, Freeport, Linden, Valley Stream, Long Beach, and Glen Cove. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Passaic, and Union, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Westchester. Thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bexbond, or 14 miles west of Montague, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Port Jervis, Newton, Montague, Franklin, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Martin Valley, High Point, Crandon Lakes, Haynesville, Kellett Townsend, Highland Lake, Lake Mohawk, and Upper Greenwood Lake. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, New Jersey. Here is the forecast. County in northeastern New Jersey, Kings County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Richmond County in southeastern New York, New York County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bayonne, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Tompkinsville around 5:15 p.m. Jersey City, Secaucus, and Fairlawn on Narrows Bridge around 5:20 p.m. Hoboken, Union City, and Barge around 5:25 p.m. Battery Park, Soho, Park Slope, and Bensonhurst around 5:30 p.m. Brooklyn Heights, Lower East Side, East Village, and Upper West Side around 5:35 p.m. New York, Crown Heights, Midtown Manhattan, Flatbush, and Central Park around 5:40 p.m. RFK Bridge, Flushing, LaGuardia Airport, Mott Haven, Forest Hills, Long Island City, Ozone Park, Jackson Heights, Canarsie, and Astoria around 5:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Shore Express, Lincoln Center, Woodside, East Orange, Greenwich Village, Weehawken, East Newark, North Bergen, Grasmere, and Greenpoint. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Essex, and Hudson, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island. Here is a special 8 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located over Valley Stream, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County, southern Hunterdon County, northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, Middlesex County, central Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stockton, or 18 miles northwest of Trenton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Aldbridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Saraville, North Brunswick, Ewing, Carteret, Middlesex, Princeton, Boundbrook, Manville, Matawan, Doylestown, and Byram. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset. Here is a special...
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southwestern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgewater or over Somerville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Linton, Summit, Milburn, Clark, Union, West Orange, Westfield, Livingston, Broadway, Maplewood, Scotch Plains, Cranford, Hillside, Roselle Park, Berkeley Heights, New Providence, Kenilworth, and Fanwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Upton, New York. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Essex, and Union. until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles northwest of South Amboy, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorms will be near Upper New York Harbor and the Vazon on Narrows around 5:50 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service. Jefferson, New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a strong thunderstorms were located near Upper New York Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Little Neck Bay, Saddle Rock, and Eastchester Bay around 5:45 p.m. Manhasset Bay, Baxter Estates, Execution Rocks, and Mamaroneck Harbor around 5:50 p.m. Hempstead Harbor around 5:55 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor and Stanford Harbor around 6:05 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor around 6:10 p.m. Huntington Bay around 6:15 p.m. Smithtown Bay and Port Jefferson Harbor around 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Morris County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crandon Lakes, or near Newton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Newton, Dover, Apascong, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinnelon, Boonton, Butler, Warden, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mountain Lakes, Riverdale, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Andover, and High Point. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Sussex, and Warren. Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Fire Island Inlet to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Long Island South Shore Base until 6:45 p.m. At 5:40 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Jones Inlet to near Jamaica Bay to near Rockaway Inlet, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Island Park in South Oyster Bay around 6 p.m. Bottom Island around 6:05 p.m. Middle Bay around 6:10 p.m. Jones Inlet around 6:20 p.m. Fire Island Inlet around 6:25 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Long Island South Shore Base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. National Weather Service in Upland, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, southern Orange County in southeastern New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Unionville to near Sussex to near Andover, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near Warwick, Florida around 6 p.m. Chester and Upper Greenwood Lake around 6:05 p.m. Ringwood and Greenwood Lake around 6:10 p.m. West Milford, Monroe and Sloatsburg around 6:15 p.m. Southern, Bloomingdale, and Harriman around 6:20 p.m. Pompton Lakes and Muncie around 6:25 p.m. Wayne, Ramsey, and Pomona around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Elburn, Edmont, West Haverstraw, Viola, New Hampstead, Mount Ivy, Highland Mills, Highland Falls, Curious Joe, and Central Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Orange and Rockland.
New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Hunterdon County
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County, northwestern New Jersey, Hunterdon County, northwestern New Jersey, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bethlehem, or near Allentown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Forks, Amos, Northampton, Byram, Wilson, Bedminster, Washington, Hellertown, Nazareth, Flemington, Tinicum, Highbridge, Clinton, Bath, Harmony, New Hope, and Alpha. Intense thunderstorm winds can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren. Southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ewing, or near Trenton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Trenton and Lawrenceville around 6:05 p.m. Bordentown and Whitehorse around 6:15 p.m. Princeton and Mercerville Hamilton Square around 6:20 p.m. Edinburgh and Crosswicks around 6:25 p.m. Windsor, Plainsboro Center and Princeton Meadows around 6:30 p.m. Allentown around 6:35 p.m. Hightstown, Cranberry, Inlaystown and Cream Ridge around 6:40 p.m. Roosevelt, Twin Rivers, Clarksburg and Clearbrook Park around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rossmore, Fieldsboro, Concordia, Yardville, Groveville, Princeton Junction, Woodbourne, Lenhorn Manor, Newtown Grant, Village Shires and Morrisville. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex and Monmouth. 5 to 10 miles. 70%. Tuesday, sunny. Here is a special... Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for Mercer County, Monmouth County, Somerset County, Middlesex County until 10:15 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is occurring or expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Aldbridge, Hull, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sarville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Ewing and Carteret. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Moriches Inlet, New York up 40 nautical miles. Moriches Inlet to Montauk Point, New York up 20 nautical miles. Long Island South Shore Base until 7:30 p.m. At 6:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms producing water spots were located along the line extending from near Island Park to near entrance to New York Harbor to 8 nautical miles north of Shark River Reef, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, water spots and wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water spots can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly high waves. Severe thunderstorms will be near Barnum Island and Island Park around 6:30 p.m. Middle Bay and Jones Inlet around 6:35 p.m. East Bay around 6:40 p.m. South Oyster Bay around 6:45 p.m. Fire Island Inlet around 6:55 p.m. Buoy 44025 around 7 p.m. Great South Bay around 7:10 p.m. Moriches Inlet, Moriches Bay and West Hampton Beach around 7:30 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Long Island South Shore Base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. And Moriches Inlet, New York to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water spots can easily open. p.m. At 6:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Peekskill to New City to Hawthorne, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near Peekskill, Haverstraw, Nyack, Upper Nyack, and Orangeburg around 6:35 p.m. Englewood and Hawthorne around 6:45 p.m. Yonkers, Dobbs Ferry, and Bedford around 6:55 p.m. Stamford, White Plains, New Canaan, Harrison, and Ridgefield around 7:05 p.m. Port Chester, Rye, Darien, Wilton, and Georgetown around 7:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county, Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Rockland and Westchester. The National Weather Service announced. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Edison, Middletown, Aldbridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Saraville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Ewing, and Carteret. In addition to hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. For the following Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Garden State Salt Reef, Little Leg Reef, Seaside Park, Atlantic City, North Beach Haven, Ship Bottom, Brigantine, Barnegat Light Reef, Garden State North Reef, Fort Trevor, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Inlet, Lavalette, Shark River Reef, Barnegat Light, Little Egg Inlet and Pine Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. And waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for western and central Long Island Sound until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Mamaroneck Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. The severe thunderstorm The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nm from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 9:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. High winds may occur out ahead of the thunderstorms associated with the gust front. Locations impacted include Garden State Salt Reef, Little Egg Reef, Great Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, North Beach Haven, Ship Bottom, Brigantine, Garden State North Reef, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Inlet, Barnegat Light and Little Egg Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles.